Let's get it. What's YouTube? It's your boy Timbo, and I am at the Minnesota Monthly Card Show, and it's actually over. I forgot to do an intro because we got here. We were number one in the waiting list for the table, and so yeah, all that happened. But it was a great show, and I'm excited for you guys to see these clips. And yeah, if you haven't yet, hit that like, hit that subscribe. And yeah, it's kind of hectic. It's very quiet because everyone's packing out. But enjoy the video. All right, we don't have any audio or anything yet, but we just sold three to Eric. He's our sponsor for Punch Out for 140. So to a happy home we go. And we got to show the first Eddie Zard. That's wild. For me to hold it, it's even more wild. There you go. Appreciate it. Just sold the Charmander 151 promo for 15. There you go. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, you guys, we just sold the Pinsir and the Cleffa for 20. So there you go. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, you guys just sold the Nimona from Paldean Fates for 5.
Thank you so much. I'll take both.
I was like, wait, what am I doing? I got lost in the sauce. Appreciate you, man. Awesome. I'm not gonna mess up this time. Selling the Lacey right after the Nimona, and we're doing it for 25. The card goes to you.
Thank you.
And the handshake goes to you.
Yes, thank
and
you.
I appreciate you. Thank you, man.
Yes.
All right, so we're trading away the Baby Shiny Dodozo for the Milotic Full Art from Surging Sparks. We're trading it over here for you. I appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. And this is gonna go to Minnie. So she's been trying to collect Surging. So here you go. All right, you guys, selling the Nami right here for 25. Appreciate you, big dog.
Thanks, boss.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yep. All right, guys, just sold the Snorlax and the Miraidon for 6. Gotta love promos. Scarlet and Violet has some beautiful promos in this whole Scarlet and Violet era. All right, you guys, just sold the Blissey V, such a beautiful, I believe it's from, is it from Silver Tempest?
Silver Tempest.
It's from Silver Tempest, the Altar Blissey V. Here you go. All right, you guys, we're doing a partial. We're doing the Skarmory, and then we're gonna do 30 cash on top, and we're gonna give away a good old Surging Sparks booster bundle. So let me get some change for you. And then do you care which one you want? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll let you pick the hot box. All right, you guys, a huge one. We just sold a whole case of Shiny Treasures EX to the homie Garrett for $740, a whole case. So, here you go, big dog. Appreciate you. Yep. All right, you guys, just sold the Penny from Paldean Fate, such a beautiful card. If you guys don't know, they have a bunch of Pokeball Easter eggs that people collect, like the Nimona and other ones with it. Sold it for 10. Here you go.
Perfect. Thank
Appreciate
you so
it.
much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yep. All right, you guys, just sold the Perrin for 60. Beautiful card from Twilight Masquerade. Here you go. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, you guys, selling the Kazuki and the Foxy. Hopefully I did them in the right order. Foxy Kazuki for 24. There you go. Appreciate it. Thank you. We just sold the Karen and the Lana's Aid for 45. We also sold earlier a Twilight Masquerade, the Perrin for 60, but it wasn't recording. But since we're talking about those sets, sold these two for good old 45. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
To a new home. All right, you guys, we sold a Crown Zenith and a Surging Sparks for 85 to the young lady right here. And she said give the change to her, but her dad said give the change to you. Well, you know what? Take that too. Hopefully you get a hit, okay? Yep, take that with you, okay? Yep, of course, you're welcome. Hey guys, I want to take a moment to talk about my sponsor, Punch Out Gaming. Punch Out Gaming is a local shop out here in Minnesota, and their selection is insane. They have so much for the TCG. They have Pokemon, they got One Piece, they got Lorcana, Yu-Gi-Oh! Pokemon specifically, they got collectibles, books, memorabilia, and so much more. They also have sports cards for all you sports collectors out there, and they have an insane selection of vintage and modern game consoles, systems, and games. So check it out. I go there like once a week and cop some. The link is in the description, so go show them some love. And we're gonna get straight to the video. You guys sold a couple cards, the Noivern EX, the Arvin, the Judge, and the Clive. The Clive one goes crazy. I love the artwork in that. It's like a Where's Waldo field. Sold those for 25. There you go. Appreciate you. Thank you. All right, you guys, we just sold some Evolving Skies back to school. It comes with an eraser. There's the Eevee, the Pikachu, and came with some Astro Radiant packs. Just sold them for 30 each, so 60 overall.
Thank you very
These
much.
are yours, and I appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take care.
Good rips.
Yeah.
Deep in the jibber jabber. And so we're doing a trade. And so I am picking up Charmander and Kieran's. I know we just sold our Kieran, but we got another one. And we are trading 2 Evolving Skies with the 2 packs. There's Chilling Rain on the side with a pin. And we're also having a Surging in there as well. So good trades, good deals. Appreciate you.
Thank you, sir.
Those go for you. Much love. There you go. Yep, thank you. All right, you guys, just sold the Lechonk for 3. So there you go. And I have your change right there. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, you guys, just sold a Surging Sparks booster bundle for 40. So there you go. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, you guys, we're doing the Evolving Skies, the Back to School with the EV Eraser and the Astro for 30. And so there you go. And your change as well. Appreciate it.
I got you.
Not twice. Are you really?
Yeah.
What do you guys?
Those are the last 2 EXs we've been trying to find that we've been missing.
We've been here for like 2 hours.
We've been going like looking.
I believe it.
Yeah.
Like, especially when trying to master a set, it's like, bro, I have to take this. I'm not saying no.
So we were looking around and we were like, oh my god, are we gonna leave
This is the
without
last spot we're trying to get out to.
The last
It
spot.
worked out well for us.
Durant. Hound. You're gonna take it.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh my god.
Good adventure.
So much. Thank
Good adventure. You guys have a good one, okay?
You guys have a good one.
Yep. Awesome. All right, you guys, we sold our last Surging Sparks booster bundle. We have one more blister and a couple ETBs up there. But our last booster bundle for 40. So here you go. Appreciate it. Thank you. Guys, just sold the little Mime Junior Baby Shiny from Paldane Fates for 2 to a new home. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, you guys, my mic died, so you may not be able to hear me. It's getting a little quieter. It's around 2 p.m. We are giving away 2 of the one-piece double packs. I hope you get one of each of the Dons, by the way, because it comes with Dons. So hopefully they get one of each of the Dons. We're doing a trade for that, and we're getting the Cerule Edge on top of 10 with that. And so good trades, good deals.
Selling these 3 for 30.
I didn't even name the cards. What cards are these?
They know. I don't want to do it. I'm not prepped for that. I don't want to do it. You can do it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, we're selling these 3 one-piece for 30. We got the Uta, then we got the Altar Leader, and Tony Choppa. All 3 for 30. These are minis cards, but she's shy today. There you go.
Awesome.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yep.
All right, you guys, like I said, my mic went out, so the audio's not the best, but a whole case of the Emperor of the New World double pack set, a whole case going away for 140. So there you go. Appreciate it. Good rips. Hopefully you get both Dons. You should with that many. All right, you guys, just sold 4 of the Zapdos EX Collection 151s for 40 each. Just sold 4 of them. So thank you for you got them. All right, you guys, that is the end of the card show. That's the end of the video. But before we go, I did tell Minnie I'll pay her in pack. So I'm gonna let Minnie get a OPO1 and a Surging Sparks blister. She literally just pressed start and start on the camera. That's it. But I said I would pay her in pack. So get your rips.
Yay.
Let's see if you get something good.
Right now?
Go, come on. Don't make me regret this outro. Oh my goodness. She's shaking. Rip the pack. Rip the pack!
Stop lingering.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I've never opened.
You know, I don't think you opened one. All right. Show the camera, show the
Bro,
camera.
I won't be able to tell. You want to?
Oh, that's true. I guess you won't be able to tell. It's all right, go. You can do a regular. This is a random outro. We're gonna show you the hit. I believe it's gonna be a banger, just because Minnie has hotter hands than me.
Imagine.
Oh, that's a manga, I'm crying.
I don't think so. I don't have that much. No, nothing.
What was it, a Dawn?
No, yeah, you get a Dawn in each pack with
All right, so we got Black Mario Rare. Not what we wanted, obviously. All right, Surging, give us the Pika. Bro, if you pull the Pika now, all those people at the card show was like, oh man, I skipped out on this one blister and it gives you the Pika. I would have been more sad because we would have sold it at the show. Oh, let's go. Out the Surging blister, show them. At the Feebas, out the Surging blister. Well, that's a great way to end it. If you guys haven't, like I said, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Make sure you check out Minnie's YouTube channel. I'll put it in here. Also, check out my boy Daniel's channel. I'm gonna put his in there in the description as well. It was a good day. It was fun. I'm exhausted. We're gonna get some Filipino food, and I'm gonna practice my Tagalog ordering. So, bye. Oh, my Tagalog's nice. Don't even do all that. I'm really nice with it.